Trust in the phrase, trust in. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, trust in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it in your everyday conversations. Trust in is a combination of two words, trust and in. Let's break them down. Trust. It means to have confidence or faith in someone or something. In. It's a preposition that can denote many relationships, but when combined with trust, it typically signifies a direction or focus of the trust. Together, trust in means to have faith or confidence in someone or something. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. I trust in your judgment. Here, the speaker has confidence in the other person's decision-making skills. 2. Many people trust in technology to make their lives easier. In this instance, people are relying on technology for convenience. 3. She trusts in the process and believes that everything will turn out okay. The person believes in the effectiveness or reliability of a certain process. Trust in is not the only way to express confidence or faith in English. Here are some similar phrases. Trust that. I trust that you will do the right thing. Have faith in. You need to have faith in yourself. Rely on. Businesses rely on customer feedback to improve. It's essential to understand the subtle differences. But remember, the core idea is having confidence or belief in someone or something. While trust in is widely used, it's also easy to misuse. Here are some pitfalls to steer clear of. Avoid redundancy. Say, I trust in you, instead of, I trust in on you. Be cautious about the context. For instance, trust in is not interchangeable with trust with. I trust you with my car is correct, but I trust in you my car is not. And there we have it. We've unpacked the meaning of trust in, explored its usage, looked at similar phrases, and even touched on common mistakes. Remember, language is about practice, so try using trust in your conversations. We hope this video has shed light on this phrase, and as always, happy learning!